Look around you where we are. Look what we have.
They're fresh.
This is a luxury. The boat arrived, deliver this to us. This is luxury.
Oh my God! Look the eyes. Look the eyes. Huh?
Look at this beauty. Calamari, you get the octopus, you get the tariq. And do this one. Oops. You guys put it over there. Fresh fish, Mandarin Oriental, Costa Navarino. Best chefs of the world.
Hello.
We're killing.
Come to see. Look the beauty we received today. Look the eyes. Look at this. Look. Now we will go to the garden. We will pick up some vegetable to finish it.
I'll take it with me. Okay, I'll do this one.
So as we do in our compost, because to grow after the potatoes, the soil is very good. You know. Look where we are.
Yeah.
The chef's garden. We received the fish before. Now we will go to pick up the vegetable.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
It's gonna be more fresh. This is a luxury for 12 type of different tomatoes. We have cucumber. You see? You see this? Look, the smell. You see it? All the different shapes.
Yeah, okra looks like a cucumber.
We will finish with something you will see. You will love it.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Go like this. Okay, and then smell it. It's perfume, natural perfume.
Mint, peppermint, spearmint. We have lemon caviar.
Lemon caviar.
Yes, smell this. You imagine cooking the fresh fish this afternoon with this, just on the grill, on the barbecue?
Yeah.
Amazing, Top Chef.
Thank
amazing.
you, thank
Great.
you,
Oh,
thank
such
you.
an amazing experience.
My pleasure, my pleasure.
Amazing. Okay, see you guys in Miami. Look, we love to taste and eat a lot of food. This is love.
You look at this, it's different
Yeah.
cook. It's cooked very nice. Another one plate is very famous here. It is the name strapacciata.
Halagani is unbelievable. Beautiful saganaki cheese covered with some kadaifi with spicy marmalade. It's unbelievable. Oh. Wait.
Thank you very much. I hope
Thank you very much. It's amazing. Thank you very much.
All the team, all the best.
We'll be back.
Thank you very much.
We'll be back. Thank you.